On this benefit package coverage or coverage in breast cancer and pila if we have data pila na ang naka-avail.
I would like for the details, I would like to throw the question to Dr. Maria.
Okay, good morning. For the Z benefit for the breast cancer, we have two contracted facilities in Region 6. We have Western Visayas Medical Center and we have Corazon in Negros Island. And for the breast cancer, from 100,000 to 1.4 million na atong ginabayaran subong for the breast cancer. As long as ang patient ara sa isa ka-contracted na Z benefit for the breast cancer. So dala na dira ang aton trastuzumab. Take note for the trastuzumab naton, that's 18 sessions, and for that 18 sessions, it's almost 1 million. And take note that 1 million wala gid na siya pagkabayaran. Okay? And dala na dira atong nga may diagnostics kita dira dala atong radiotherapy, chemotherapy, as well as ang aton nga surgical and of course the surveillance. And take note again, this is for patients stage 0 to stage 4.
What is stage 0?
Stage 0 inside to pa, wala pa nakalapta, wala pa kagwa. Dako ang chance of survival. Okay, dako ang chance for inside to. So that's why we have also mentioned the cancer screening sa aton nga yakap. That's very important.
Also kami ay know kung pila na ang naka-avail sa package sa Region 6.
Ang sa mga data nga ginanglano naton ma'am, ginapangay na mo sa planning officer namon. And then kung makahabol before mag-end, ihatag namon. But if not, we will email you the details. We don't want to give you inaccurate information also.
Thank you. For the
Okay. Okay, sige. Always gini siya namon ma'am pabalo no every info caravans namon. But for this time, we would like to inform our members, no, and of course sa bulig sa atong mga media friends, media partners, please kadto kamo no magpa-cancer screening test sa inyong yakap clinic. Kung wala kadto kamo to sa mga hospitals no nga accredited namon, and then magpa-check up kamo, mag-avail kamo sa aton nga Z benefit packages, especially in breast cancer naton. Kaya amo gini sa subo ang leading no among all the cancers. So again, makuha nato ini siya sa contracted facilities mentioned ni Doc Ami sa may Corazon Locsin sa Negros Occidental, and then there is sa Western Visayas sa may Panay there is sa ato nga Corazon Locsin. So damo naman ang naka-avail, and actually last week gani may isa ko to ka friend nga naka-avail naman siya no. Nagkanto siya sa Corazon Locsin because the trastuzumab no million magid na siya no. I just came from a 2-week training from Japan. Dito mismo sila kinalantaw nila ang trastuzumab kinako mahal man dito sa ila no. And like diri sa aton, I was really proud to say nga ginabayaran siya naton no. So ang aton mga kababainhan dira wala makabubay na batyagan pa, ili na kamo magulat nga magtubo na ang mga bukol kamo mismo no. Every 6 months na siya Doc Jen ang advisable no, every 6 months or every year magpa-check up gid kamo no sa mga babae. We don't know nga nagkataas gid ini ang mga breast CA nato. Okay, so please avail sa ini nga mga duha ka contracted facilities ang inyong Z benefit packages on breast CA nato. And of course, always avail your benefits under the yakap. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next question is from Daily Guardian.